it's Bunny. Today we're making some slime. I just have a slime here, but yeah, we're making some slime. So what you guys will need is a bowl, 1 tablespoon and 1/4 of a tablespoon, something to mix with, some glue. This is not needed. You will need some lotion, hot water, and your borax, some water in another container, some flour, cornstarch, some hand sanitizer, and some sort of color. Don't mind my nails, I was just taking them off. But yeah, so for coloring, I'm using a powder. That's why I have some water here, or else you guys could use coloring, or it's just optional. So first, you guys want to pour in your glue. Glue all in. And now, you guys, if you guys have some coloring, some powdered coloring, you guys could just add it in your water. And you guys could use Metamucil too, but I have some coloring. You will need 1/4 of a teaspoon of your coloring. Now my coloring is it's all like in. You guys will want to pour that in. And scent is always optional. But yeah. Now you guys just have to mix it up. I decided to have a light peach color. It doesn't show much on camera, but yeah. If you guys want to add water to your glue, it's totally optional. Now mix in 1 teaspoon of borax in your water. Mix until dissolved. Add 1 teaspoon of flour or cornstarch. I decided to add 2 teaspoons. Now mix. It's all mixed in, and now I forgot if I said my intro. If I didn't, we're making some slime, and I'm Bunny, so yeah. Just tell me guys down below if I did so or not. Now add in your hand sanitizer. This is Sparkly Lemonicillo from Bath & Body Works. This is totally optional. I'm just going to add in about a teaspoon. Now mix and add some lotion. I'm using pear scented hand cream. It's totally optional, but it makes a better result. Did I already say mix? Well, anyway, it's time to mix. This smells amazing, you guys. Now you guys just have to add in your your activator a little at a time. Now it's time for some ASMR. This slime turned out so well, and I'm so happy with it. So let's get on with the ASMR. That sounded so weird. Okay, so let's get started. Once again, don't mind my nails. Okay, guys. Sorry about my nails again. The color looks a bit pale. But yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, bunnies.